Scan now. Meet Sovi, your new AI study buddy.
Mass spectra questions look scary, but this one is fast because you just spot the most common isotope first, then turn that mass into neutrons.
The spectrum shows boron has 2 isotopes, and the taller peak is the most abundant one. Watch this. The highest peak sits at mass number 11, so that isotope appears most often.
Now use the particle counts. Boron always has atomic number 5, which means 5 protons, and mass number equals protons plus neutrons, so neutrons must be 11 minus 5. That gives 6 neutrons in the most common boron isotope, so the correct choice is option B, and the question is done. Well done! Option B, scan now. Don't rush signs or labels. Trust the given spectrum and check each step before locking in neutrons.